behind me, I've got a BBB, big black box. Gonna fucking unbox it and you'll see what's in it. It is a brand new Makita mower. Woo! Holy fuck. Jesus, if I wanted a jigsaw puzzle, I would have bought one. Oh, look at that. Wow. Ah! Oh, did I just break that? Am I fucking retarded right now? Ugh. Holy fuck. Whenever you get stuff like this, just always just throw the instructions in the bin, because I'm a man. Alright, I'm gonna set that up and fucking mow the grass. How exciting. Hey, look at it. Thing of beauty. Just takes 2 batteries and that's it. Alright. What? That's lit. That's quiet as. What?
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah.
Hello. Right now I'm on the way to pick up my niece from daycare, and I figured this would be a good opportunity to introduce her to everyone. She's 3 years old. Her name's Ivy, and she's a bit of a character. That's the GoPro. So hello.
Hello.
Alright, let's get you strapped in. Were you naughty girl today, I heard?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I just didn't shove the cars of Shelby's. He was naughty, and then he just pushed me away, and then he just took the car from me.
What? That's so rude. Clip. Let's go. You know what we're looking for?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
No. Nope.
You doing some good filming there or what?
I thought it was going.
Oh shit, you right? Here, rub it better. Ivy, just to clarify, you're alright, hey? Yeah. Look at this, we're home. Holy fuck. Don't have kids. That's intense. It looks like we're filming a documentary.
It does.
The life of the rich kids of Cairns.
Boom!
Yo, what's going on? I am currently packing up my things. I just bought this bag yesterday. Pretty cool. It's a camera bag, so you know how it is. Do you want a quick tour of this thing? I'll make it quick. Come on. Open up the top. We got a light. Got this pouch, AirPods, and in this pouch I've got all my MacBook dongles and hard drives and stuff like that. That all lives in there. Unzip that, open that up. We've got some, that's all my GoPro stuff. So I've just got the camera, that stick, head mount, that's in that little pouch. Underneath that we got some more GoPro stuff. So this one's a suction mount and lots of other little fucking things. Underneath that, down here, I've got a lav mic, so this thing clips onto me, and then I clip this microphone onto me, and that goes on the camera. Live feeds it to the camera, and that's how I get the shots where I'm really far away and you get nice clean audio like this. It just lets me get cool shots like this, like I'm really far away from the camera. And in here I've got the sexy 16-inch MacBook Pro, brand spanker. I didn't fucking say where I was going. I'm going down to Brisbane tomorrow for a week. It was a very spontaneous trip. I only decided to go like fucking a few days ago. So yeah. Alright, this morning I am off. I'm off to the airport, off to Brisbane. Going to go tear it up. See you down there. I'm actually really late. Anything planned. This is the first time I've ever travelled on my own. I think I'm just going to kick it here for a bit, have a spell, and then probably get an Uber into town and find a pub and start cranking beers. Hey mate, how are you? G'day sir. I've got no fucking idea what to do or where to go. I got my suitcase. Feels cool being in the city though. I might go chill in a library for a few hours or something till I'm ready to go to where I'm staying, you know. Alright, so I've been sitting here for like an hour now. I'm just waiting for my friend Piper to come and collect me, essentially. Still just waiting. Got my tour guide. Look at this. Number 7.
Get ready. This is mine.
Yo, look at this. What a vibe. So, I've been here a few hours and we're already gonna go get on the fucking beers. If you have been watching my videos for a while, we're going to meet up with someone from the very old videos. Storm is his name. In my bag? No. Wow, I already look like a local. I look like I just flew in from Byron Bay.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's go get on the beers.
Yeah, let's go. Hey?
I just gave you a little bit of an introduction. Said he's from the old videos.
Yeah, way back when we were building the houses. Yeah. Now look at you.
Now look at me. This spot right here. It's alright, let's talk business.
Cheers, mate.
Had some beers.
Had a laugh.
Had a laugh or two.
I'll see you Friday.
Oh yeah.
Good hotel.
Oi. Alright, well, I'm going to edit this video and then put it out. And in the meantime, get dinner and go to a party, and that'll be in the next video. So I'll put it up in the corner and you can click it. Alright, bye.
Man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah.